On the 22nd of December 1964, the Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird strategic reconnaissance aircraft made its first flight. Welcome to HistoryPod. The SR-71 was designed to meet the United States' need for reliable, high-altitude intelligence gathering after earlier technology, notably the U-2, had become vulnerable to Soviet air defences. The shooting of Francis Gary Powers' U-2 in 1960 highlighted the limits of existing technology and therefore accelerated the search for an aircraft that could rely on speed and altitude for survival. The team at Lockheed's Advanced Development Projects Division, commonly known as the Skunk Works, sought to create a plane capable of sustained flight at over Mach 3 and altitudes above 80,000 feet. At such speeds, conventional aluminium structures would fail due to heat, forcing engineers to use titanium alloys, much of which had to be covertly sourced from abroad. The first flight took place at Air Force Plant 42 in Palmdale, California, with test pilot Bob Gilliland at the controls. Although limited in both scope and speed, it demonstrated that the basic design was viable. Problems such as fuel leaks on the ground caused by expansion at operating temperatures, as well as issues with engine control and stability, were therefore gradually resolved during the mid-1960s. The SR-71 entered operation with the United States Air Force in 1966. It was never armed and carried no defensive countermeasures, relying entirely on its ability to outrun threats. It was used to conduct reconnaissance missions over hostile territory, providing high-quality photographic and electronic intelligence until its retirement in 1998. And yet, despite serving in the Vietnam War and later Cold War crises, no SR-71 was ever shot down, despite repeated attempts by enemy air defences.